Hello guys, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find people nearby on Telegram. So let's begin. First, access your Telegram, log into your account. Next, you're gonna need to click on your profile right over here. Click that, and then in the middle part, choose contacts, not the find people nearby option in your mobile device. So after you click this, it will show a prompt that it will request access, gain your phone number, and also your location. After you have set that up, it will show another interface like this. These are people associated with your contacts on your phone number. And right above here, it's going to be the find people nearby option. Click on that, and it will show all of the people in your area. And it's done. Quick and easy. I hope you found this video very helpful.